And we're gonna need a... That felt terrible. Hello, and welcome to Hard Way Learning. Today we're gonna swap out the transmission fluid. This is our drain bolt, and then there is a square 9/16 fill bolt right here. Now it's always good practice to try to loosen the fill bolt so that you know that you'll be able to fill it. And that guy is up in her, see that guy right here. So I bought a nice 10-point socket, but since it's 1/2 inch, we need to adapt it, and I can't fit that back here with the exhaust in the way. So we're just gonna use a Crescent, and really a square bolt works with a Crescent pretty well. So I've already actually been in here, and it is loose. So we know we're gonna be good to go to refill this. So now we're gonna attack this guy, which is, I believe, a 24mm, which I also do not have the ideal tool for. And we're gonna need a... That felt terrible. Oh, baby.
Oh, that was perfect.
So that fill bolt, just in case it was not clear, it's right in front of this rib on the transmission, right on the side. But now we're ready to loosen it. Loosen the drain. Hopefully this is big enough. It should only be about 2 quarts. Nice. Oh, transmission fluid's so gross smelling.
You're up.
Oh, so once you've cleaned off the magnet, might have some shavings on there. Clean off the threads, nice. Wipe down the face of the hole there, and then just thread this back in. Try not to cross thread it. All right. Get your drain pan out of the way. Now this is not a load bearing bolt, so I'd probably put 20-30 pounds on here. Nothing too crazy. Should be sufficient. So then you can attack that fill bolt right up, yeah. Try not to smash your knuckles. Alright. Dirty little thing. So we'll take our fancy schmancy Ford Motorcraft full synthetic manual transmission fluid, and this is going to require a pump, giggity, which we will place in here. Got this off Amazon. Stick the tube up in the hole, maybe clean it off a little bit, start filling away, and you will pump fluid into here until it starts coming out the top. Should take about 2 quarts.
You look like you're pretty familiar with that pump. Like it's like a Lubriderm thing or something like that.
Oh, this feels like it's gonna take a long time. I'm only halfway through the bottle here. Whoa.
It's leaking.
There's no way. That must have been a fluke.
Oh, it's yellow in the lower right-hand corner. I know my ankles are starting to hurt with how I'm perched right now. Like a damn gargoyle. Copyright, copyright, copyright. This is the freestyle remix. Oh, we're gonna edit out that part where Dan was coughing. Oh, I feel better. Did you get bubbles? Does it feel weird that that's not coming out in your palm?
No, but this is quite the forearm workout.
Not used to using your left? I use my feet.
You think you could go
No.
hit this with some cleaner or something, get the dirt off there? Probably stopped recording at this point.
No, I'm hoping you come up with something clever. Remember, kids, spray the brake cleaner right into the yard. Why is this thread so nasty?
Because it doesn't thread in all the way.
So like clean the threads that matter anyway.
Yup. Thank you.
This towel's really at the foreground of the shot.
I don't think we're gonna get spillage because I used a little bit for the turret.
Idiot.
It should be fine though.
You heard it here first, kids. It should be fine.
I mean, that was nearly 2 quarts. It does bother me though.
It's alright, then it won't leak out like everything else. He laughs through tears.
I think it's right there anyways. It is right. Alright, so what you really should do is fill it until it starts dripping out the side here, which I think we are right on the edge maybe? I don't know. But we basically have 95% of the fluid that should be in there, so we'll close her back up, call her a day, and she'll be shifting like a champ. As usual, thank you for watching. Shout out to Dan for the awesome camera skills. Shout out to my finger that got smashed. Shout out to our homie Quam, the independent variable. It's always good to clean this stuff. You know, just taking care of business. I suppose that's loosening. Again, torque specs, minimal.
I'm just zoomed in on your nose. What's that back there? What's that? Is that 4-hole rings?
All right. What? Oh. Covers this other one. Spay new to your cats and dogs.